Only one poll. Nice I don't always stop look at tractors. Tractor oh wait yes I do shirt November 3rd has opened up a 13-point lead over in the wake of the first presidential debate. According to a new CNBC Change Research survey released on Thursday, the poll shows Biden garnering 54% of the vote to Trump's 41%, with 53% of likely voters surveyed saying that the Democratic nominee performed better than Trump in the debate on Tuesday night, while only 29% said the president had the better performance. But the CNBC Change Research poll found that 45% of likely voters believe that Trump underperformed expectations at the debate. Nice I don't always stop look at tractors. Tractor oh wait yes I do shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. While only 11% said nice I don't always stop look at tractors. Tractor oh wait yes I do shirts that Biden performed worse than expected. I always see these other products